Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into unity. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Cooperation, which means the action or process of working together to the same end. Cooperation. For example, they worked in close cooperation with the British Tourist Authority. Number 2. Agreement, which means harmony or accordance in opinion or feeling. Agreement. For example, the governments failed to reach agreement. Number 3. Harmony, which means the state of being in agreement or concord. Harmony. For example, the villagers live together in harmony. Number 4. Consensus, which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, there was consensus among most delegates. Number 5. Concord, which means agreement or harmony between people or groups. Concord. For example, a pact of peace and concord. Number 6. Solidarity, which means unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest. Solidarity. For example, factory workers voiced solidarity with the striking students. Number 7. Accord, which means agreement or harmony. Accord. For example, the government and the rebels are in accord on one point. Number 8. Unanimity, which means agreement by all people involved. Unanimity. For example, there is almost complete unanimity on this issue. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.